Full scene-by-scene prediction for John Cena vs Brock Lesnar at WWE WrestlePalooza 2025, with the expected scenario. Trophy match predictions and scenario entrance and mind games. The show begins with John Cena's famous song, "Your Time Is Up, My Time Is Now," amidst a huge cheer from the crowd. The audience is chanting his name loudly, as this could be one of his last big matches. Brock Lesnar enters with Paul Heyman, with a cold face and a sarcastic smile, hinting to the crowd that the Beast will end Cena's legend tonight. The camera focuses on the audience's faces. Half are excited for Cena. The other half are chanting, "Suplex City. Part 1. Strength versus intelligence." The bell rings, and Cena tries a quick, powerful move, shoulder tackle twice. But Lesnar stops him with a violent punch on the third. Brock begins to dominate early, a German suplex, then a second, then a third. Paul Heyman chants, "Suplex City." Cena is hurt but smiles defiantly. He tries to catch Brock with an early STF, but the Beast quickly escapes and throws him out of the ring. Part 2. The turning point. Outside the ring, Brock destroys Cena by throwing him through the table and then the steel barricade. The crowd thinks the match will end early. Suddenly, Cena responds with a powerful rebound, an attitude adjustment onto the broken table. The referee starts the count, but both come back before the 10 count. Inside the ring, Cena applies the 5-knuckle shuffle, and the crowd chants along with him. He then tries the AA again, but Brock reverses it into an F5. Cena miraculously survives at the 2.9 count. And the crowd shouts, "This is awesome." Part 3. The climax and the suspense. Both wrestlers are on the floor, fatigue evident. The referee counts. He reaches 7, and then the two stand up. A violent exchange of blows, with the crowd chanting, "Yeah, boo," with every punch. Brock applies a Kimura lock to Cena's arm, and the crowd thinks he's about to give up. But Cena reverses it into an STF in the middle of the ring. Brock is about to give up, but Heyman comes in and distracts the referee. The end, the final, Cena leaves Brock and attacks Heyman, knocking him out of the ring. Brock takes advantage, a second F5. But Cena comes out at 2. A furious Brock sets up a third F5. Cena escapes, reverses it into an attitude adjustment, and then quickly lifts Brock for a second consecutive AAA. Count. 1, 2, 3. Party popper. First place medal predicted result: John Cena wins after an epic battle, with the crowd chanting, "Thank you, Cena." After the match, Brock Lesnar gives him a rare look of respect, then leaves with Heyman. Cena stands in the ring, raising his hand as if to say a formal farewell to the fans. Highly detailed scene-by-scene predictions for the John Cena vs Brock Lesnar match at WrestlePalooza 2025, as if you were watching the event live. Clapperboard detailed match script musical notes entrances. John Cena makes his entrance first, and his famous theme song, "Your Time Is Up, My Time Is Now," rocks the room. The entire crowd stands chanting, "Let's go Cena." The camera focuses on signs reading, "Never give up." Brock Lesnar enters next with Paul Heyman. The atmosphere suddenly changes. The Monsters music hits, and the crowd splits, half chanting, "Suplex City," and the other half booing. Heyman grabs the microphone before the match and says, "Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Heyman, and tonight, Brock Lesnar will end John Cena, once and for all." Boxing glove match begins. The bell rings. The two men face off in the center of the ring. Their faces are defiant, and the tension is high. Cena tries to launch a quick attack, consecutive shoulder blocks, but as soon as he attempts a third, Brock meets him with a terrifying clothesline that sends him to the floor. Brock begins the early dominance. A German suplex first, then a second, then a third. The crowd chants, "Suplex City." Collision mid-match, Brock takes control. Brock uses his power. A knee strike to Cena's stomach, lifts him up, and performs a belly-to-belly suplex. Heyman, outside the ring, laughs sarcastically and chants, "This is easy for the Beast." Cena tries to attack, but Brock stops him with a Kimura lock on the arm. Cena groans but crawls back and grabs the ropes, and the referee breaks the hold. Fire the comeback. Brock attempts an F5, but Cena drops behind him and suddenly hits an attitude adjustment, AA. The referee counts 1, 2, but Brock rolls out. Cena stands, looks at the crowd, and raises his hand in preparation for the five-knuckle shuffle. He performs it to massive applause. He tries another AA, but Brock reverses it with an F5. Count. 1, 2. Cena rolls out. The entire crowd is on their feet, shouting, "This is awesome." High voltage climax. Brock is furious. And Cena drops again with a fourth and fifth German suplex. He tries a second F5. Cena reverses it for an STF in the middle of the ring. Brock tries to fight back, extending his hand. Heyman jumps into the ring and distracts the referee. Cena drops the pin and hits Heyman with a punch that sends him flying out of the ring. Bullseye. The finish. Brock seizes the moment and carries Cena for a third F5. But Cena escapes. AA first. Not satisfied, Brock lifts up again with difficulty. AA again. Cena puts his arm around Brock. 1, 2, 3. Trophy. The result: John Cena wins the match after an epic battle. The entire crowd chants, "Thank you, Cena." Cena stands on the ropes waving to the fans as if to say a solemn goodbye, while Brock looks at him with rare respect before leaving with Heyman. Checkmark. The meaning of victory. WWE presents it as the final battle between the legend and the beast. Cena's victory may be a message that he leaves the ring victorious, while Brock remains the dominant beast but, for the first time, shows respect for his opponent. And here is the end of the predictions for the events and scenario of the match. I hope that my predictions have gained your admiration, my dear viewers.